Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set up medication reminders on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Let's get started. The first thing that is we would need to do it on our phone on the Apple Health application, and you'll be able to get the reminders on your watch. So after you have opened the application, we would need to browse this main page until we will see this suggestion to set up a medication. Here is it. Click add a medication 2 times, and the first thing that we would need to do, that's enter the name of medication. I will enter name of medication that I usually take. Click next, and as a second step we would need to choose the medication type. You can see the common forms and more forms that you can see right here. I will click tablet and click next. Then we would need to add the medication strength. I will choose unit, which you can also see right here, and enter 100. Click done and click next. Then right here you would need to set frequency and times when you want to get the reminders. For example, the frequencies can be every day or on specific days of the week or as needed. You can choose it just like this. And I will click done and set time, for example 8 AM. Just like this. Click next. And you can also choose the shape of your medications. Click next. You can choose also colors if you would like to, and also a background so it can be a little more fun to take your meds. I will leave it like this. Click next, click done, and that's it. Now you have added a medication reminder on your phone, and also you will get the notifications on your watch. Let me show you how it looks. So, if we will click this digital crown on our watch, then scroll down and click on this med icon, we would be able to see all of the information about the medications that we have added on the Apple Health application. And that's it! Now you will never forget to take your meds. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.